Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to change Activision ID. Follow this easy tutorial to change your Activision account ID. Open your browser and open activision.com and you will directly jump into the official Activision website. Once you're here, make sure to sign into your Activision account where you want to update your ID. Once done, click on Profile and then you will jump into your profile settings page. Here, select Basic Info. Under Basic Info, scroll down and here you will get your Activation ID. So to change your ID, just click on Edit. In order to change or edit Activation ID, we have to verify our Activation account email address. So click on Send Code and go to the Gmail account. And here you will get a verification mail. Just open it and all you have to need. Here you'll get a one-time verification code. Just copy this code and paste it here and click on Submit. Once you verified your Activision account email address, again go to Basic Info section. Again click on Activision ID Edit. And then you will be able to easily edit your Activision ID. Just change your ID and click on Save. Enter here your account password. Click on Submit. And that's it. This is how we can easily change our Activation ID. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this Topical Talks channel. Thank you for watching.